Okay, so the shop is a mess. The shop's a mess. I got a lot of shit going on. A lot. So, this morning, I carved this little gnome guy. It's wet cedar. It's a pretty big chunk of cedar. You can see how wet it is right there. Like it's dry, wet. Dry, wet. So tomorrow I'm gonna put some Kutzall on this one. Actually, tomorrow morning I might come and carve this root head for my friends. I'm gonna want to put some Kutzall on this. This won't look so ugly once it gets some Kutzall on it. And this bumhole flower potter thing. This is a chunk of cedar that I got out of this wishing well when it came out, and then I made the roof. So what I'm going to do now is take the tarp off this wishing well, and this is going to be the last wishing well video. That's it. This is going to be the final. So I have drilled a hole through here all the way through. Now I need to get a stick to go through and epoxy it in. Hi, Dad. So for all you that were watching when I said hi, Dad, I said hi, Dad, because my real dad in Vancouver has been following this progress for the wishing well. So how you doing, Dad? I'm gonna try not swear on this one. Doesn't quite fit. Gonna have to make a couple more. Sound it down a bit there, Dad. Hey, Dad, look, it's a speed air torch, just like the one you gave me a couple years ago, but it's not the one that you gave me. My favorite torch, anyways. Carry on. Got some 5-minute epoxy here. Make sure you mix up this stuff really good, or it won't harden, and you'll have to deal with a sticky, ooey gooey mess. So, anyways, I'm going to get it on the stick here. Sorry. Who knows? If it works, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Getting some more epoxy. I got the tape on the bottom, so I don't know. I hope it doesn't run down onto the stick. I should have just epoxied the whole stick. Now, let's go hammer it into the hole. Terrible filming, Jordy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. That works. Carry on. Very good. Carry on. So you can see it does come out of the bottom too. Nobody's ever getting this out. Okay. Whew. Now I gotta wheel it over there to get some pictures. And I got the flowers over there. I don't care if you see my license plate. Come and stalk me. Try it. Okay. So who here thinks, I'm just letting this video kind of roll as real time. Who here thinks I'm going to be able to move this? This is probably like, let's say 700 pounds with my dolly. I'm going to try it. Actually, I'm going to blow it out first. Blow it off because I can't get my compressor all the way over there. Okay, so you got to remember this thing is top heavy. Well, the bottom's heavier, but the top's heavy too. And I'm going to put it in my dolly if I can without breaking my back and wheel it over there by those bushes with the flowers. I think it will make a great photo shot. The professional photographer that I am. No, I need help. Okay, that's not gonna happen. Hey, come and give me a hand. Okay, I brought the army in. This is Cubby. Cubby, say hi. That's Jaden. They're like nephews to me. They're Judy's kids that lives here. And they're growing up taller than I am now, I think. Okay, so it's gonna try and roll this way. This one thing's gonna try and roll this way, so I don't know. It's just fucking weird. Okay. Oh, that's heavy. Let's just go nice and slow. Oh.
Shout out the loft.
Might need your help later to bring it back.
Yeah?
Are you going to be around about an hour?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Thanks. Okay, so these are the cheapest flowers I could buy. These ones were $2 a pot, and these ones I think were $4. I got two of the bigger ones. So what do you guys think? That's going to make for a good photo shoot? Besides those power lines in the background. I don't care. I don't care. So now I gotta get some dirt in there. Put the flowers in there. No, put these in there and in the bucket. I'm not gonna fill this whole thing up with dirt. I'm gonna put stuff in there to fill it up first. But it just happens to be that this big pile here, I'm not sure if it's, let's see. I'm not sure if it's this big pile or that big pile, but it's all siphoned garden dirt, so lucky me. Okay, so I put some wood under there. I put the garbage bag over it. So I'm gonna put this dirt on there. Then I'm gonna put the flowers in. Then I'm gonna take the flowers back out, and hopefully I can just pull this garbage bag out and put the friggin' dirt back in the pile. I don't know why, but I'm getting super tired. Okay, so I'm not much of a gardener, but here's what we got. So let's finish this video off, and let's just do a little photo shoot here. The pictures are going to be the other way. Instead of it being landscape, they're going to be this way, so they'll be smaller. But anyway, so now you guys can see my point besides those things there. So once I'm done the professional Jordy Johnson Carving Fusion photo shoot, then I got to take all the flowers out, put them in the box, give them to Judy and Scott that live here, take all the dirt out, take this back over there and tarp it up to see. I don't think you find out till June if you make it or not into the top 10 finalists. Carry on, carry on. Carving Fusion photo shoot coming up. Okay, I just did a photo shoot and I forgot about the upgrade. I always gotta have an upgrade. Here's a shout out to my buddy Big L. Here's the upgrade for you, Big L. Let's hope this is a selling point for the contest. Here we go. You ready? Wishing you well. It's a wishing you well. Ha ha ha. I screwed it up there with crazy timber bolts. Got some chains in there. What do you think about that, Big Al? What do you think, Liz? What do you think, Dad? Think it's a good upgrade? I was gonna carve an eagle for the roof, but no, that's good enough. Okay, now I gotta redo the photo shoot. 3, 2, 1. Carving Fusion photo shoot by a pro, Jordy Johnson. I'm freaking tired. Okay, so that's gonna be it for me today. I'm gonna get this tarped up again. Then it's gonna go in the garage till next month, till I find out if I win or not. If I'm not, don't win, if I enter, if I win to be entered. 1 out of 10, no, Jesus, Jordy. I'll find out next month from those pictures I sent you guys in the final. I'm gonna send 4 pictures in to enter this, and I'll let you know next month if it makes it into the competition or not. Carving Fusion, over and out.